Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Today I am keeping it simple: what stands out, what to check, and who the office setup is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Foldable mobile standing desk. Unlike other bedside tables with only folding tops, ours has both foldable tabletop. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Use on either side of the bed, 180 degrees tiltable desktop for easy use from any bedside. Squeeze the handle for. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Pneumatic lift system. The mobile sit-stand desk built-in gas spring offers smooth one-hand height adjustment. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it full content visible, double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict: the office setup looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.